Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chicken oil without Atsuete. First, gather your ingredients. Approximately 1 pound of chicken skin and fat, 4 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger. You will also need about 1/4 of a cup of neutral cooking oil to help kickstart the rendering process. Ensuring all your ingredients are fresh will yield the most flavorful result for your homemade chicken oil. Now, let's render that chicken fat. Begin by cutting your chicken skin and fat into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1-inch squares. This helps them cook evenly. Place these pieces in a cold pan with your initial cooking oil. Cook them slowly over medium-low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Patience is key here to achieve perfectly golden and crispy chicken bits. Once your chicken bits are golden and crispy, carefully remove them from the pan, leaving the rendered oil behind. Now, it's time to infuse that wonderful flavor. Add your 4 minced garlic cloves and the sliced 2-inch piece of ginger to the hot chicken oil. Sauté these aromatics gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are fragrant and lightly browned, but not burnt. This step adds incredible depth. Finally, let's prepare your chicken oil for storage. Carefully strain the warm, infused chicken oil through a fine mesh sieve into a clean, heat-proof container. Discard all the cooked solids, leaving you with beautifully clear and aromatic chicken oil. Allow the oil to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.